Hey guys, it's Eric here at LKQ. Check this out, a 1995 Audi 90 Quattro. That is a rare bird in any era. These Audis were not very reliable, and a 95 model still hanging in there is pretty cool. We got windshield washer squirters, you know, your standard 90s European this is good stuff, except Volvo hung onto it through the 2000s. It does have a V6. I'm not familiar with this particular engine, but it's there. You'll notice not a lot of parts missing off of this one. It's just not a popular car. It's not a car anybody wants to own anymore. You know, seats might be missing. Yeah, seats are missing because they were comfortable. But the rest of the dash is pretty much intact. Some nice gauges down there on the bottom. Those would work well in any car, so somebody could snag that. Instrument cluster was as overly complex as Audi loved to make it. Looks like it clocked in at 200,000 before it gave up the ghost. It's real wood, not fake wood, so I like that. Glove box kind of tilts out, that's kind of cool. Huh, interesting. Radio's missing, but it looks like it was aftermarket anyway. Yeah, look at that. And the back seats are still there. Well, it looks like maybe somebody might have tried to get the fuel pump out of it. And apparently, Ken owned this car. Ken, the traveler's best friend. Wherever you are, you had interesting taste in automobiles, no doubt about that. And like I said, it's pretty much still intact, which is a rarity. Came in here in October of 22, so it's probably getting real close to getting crushed. And it looks like it's going to have nearly all of its parts on it when that happens, except for the seats. Wow. That red is really oxidized, but I bet it would buff out and turn back into a pretty decent color. This one did have a sunroof on it at some point. Little piece of history there. Anyway, till next time, my friends, take care.